Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply YouTube Marketing 3.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of YouTube for your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool which you need to know to dominate YouTube marketing in the easiest way possible using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you... Section 2. Marketing on YouTube, step by step. In videos 4 through 9, we'll talk about creating a YouTube account, YouTube walkthrough, YouTube channels, YouTube Creator Studio walkthrough, start advertising on YouTube, video marketing tips to consider. Welcome to Section 2 of our YouTube Marketing 3.0 video training, Marketing on YouTube, step by step. In this section, we'll talk about creating a YouTube account, YouTube walkthrough, YouTube channels, YouTube Creator Studio walkthrough, start advertising on YouTube, and video marketing tips to consider. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Creating a YouTube account. Okay, so the first step to start promoting your marketing content is by becoming an active YouTube user. And in order to become an active YouTube user, you will need a YouTube account that will allow you to access every amazing feature offered by the YouTube platform. Creating a YouTube account is as easy can get. It is free, and you can do it with a few clicks on your mouse. In this video, we are going to show you how to create your own YouTube account the proper way. Getting started. The first step to start creating a YouTube account is to simply head to youtube.com. Now, once there, you will have the option to access your YouTube account by using the Sign In button, but only if you have a Gmail account already. This is because when you create a Gmail account, you are signing up for the entire ecosystem of Google services, which includes popular Google platforms such as YouTube, Google+, and Google Drive, which means that by creating a Gmail account, you are also creating a YouTube account. Enter your Gmail credentials after in order to sign in on YouTube using your Gmail account. Now you will notice that your profile image is featured in the top right corner. Click it. As you can see, you will be able to access your YouTube account from this tab, and you'll have other options available such as access to your Creator Studios and your YouTube account settings. Creating a YouTube account from scratch. Now, you would be hard-pressed to find someone who doesn't have a Gmail account nowadays, but it's possible. So in case you don't have a Google account, let's show you how you can create one from scratch, the easy way. Start on the Google main page and click on the Sign In button on the top right corner. You will be taken to a login screen asking you to enter your Gmail address. But because you don't have a Google account, you will need to click on More Options and then on Create Account. Now you'll be asked to enter your personal information to create a Google account that you can use to have your own YouTube account. Start by entering your first name and your last name. Then enter a username that will also work as your Gmail email address. Make sure that your username of choice is available. If it is not available, choose from one of the recommended by Google. Now you'll have to create a password, and to confirm your password after you create it. Now enter your date of birth in the birthday section, starting with the month, then the day, and then the year. Now select your gender from the gender menu below. Lastly, enter your phone number, an up-to-date email address, and your location. Then hit the Next Step button to move on to the next step. A pop-up window will appear, instructing you to agree with Google's Terms of Service. Click through the Terms of Service document by clicking the blue scroll-down button, and then click on I agree. Now your new Google account is being created. You can access your account by clicking on the initial letter icon on the top right corner, so you can change your profile picture by clicking on Change. Now go to YouTube so you can test your new account on the platform as well. Click on Sign In, and you're all set. A message that reads, "You are now registered with YouTube" will appear to let you know that your YouTube account has been created. Just as you saw in the previous segment, you can use the profile picture icon on the right top corner to access your account. If you want to further customize your YouTube account, you can click on the YouTube Settings button. Here, you will find several settings options including Advanced Settings, Additional Features, Connected Accounts, Privacy, notifications, and playback. As you can see, creating a YouTube account is a walk in the park, and doing so will allow you to enter a world of video marketing that was just difficult to even dream up before. Tune in for a following video so we can give you a nice walkthrough of the YouTube platform as a new registered YouTube walkthrough. So you already created your YouTube account, or perhaps you had one all along without being aware about it because you never tried to sign into YouTube while your Gmail session was open. And now you're ready to start uploading some cool marketing videos. You probably used YouTube before to watch videos, but YouTube goes well beyond that feature, and there are lots of buttons and tabs that you might not have used yet. In this video, we are going to show you every function available on YouTube's front page. Let's start by taking a look at the picture icon in the top right corner to revisit the functions available there when you click it. There, you have the Creator Studio button, which allows you to manage, check, and edit your video content. And we're going to take you through a deeper look into this feature on a following video. Next up is a YouTube Settings button, where you can manage your account settings. You can use the Add Account button in here to add additional YouTube accounts to this shortcut, and the Sign Out button will allow you to log out of YouTube. Now, this bell icon button will show you notifications on the platform, such as when your videos receive comments or likes, when you have new subscribers, and when you have set reminders to watch video events, to name a few. The Upload button will allow you to upload your video content to the YouTube platform with a few clicks on your mouse. And depending on how you plan to do your marketing, this may perfectly be one of the buttons that you're going to use the most. YouTube features a standard search bar that you can use to search video content on YouTube by using specific video titles or keywords. Below the search bar, there are 3 video content feed tabs. The Home tab is the main tab, and in here, YouTube will recommend you video content based on the type of videos that you watch or create on the platform. The Trending tab features videos that are trending on YouTube at the moment, and the Subscriptions tab will show you the most recent videos from the YouTube channels that you are subscribed to. Scroll all the way down to the footer of the site, and you will find some buttons that will allow you to edit some of your site preferences. Let's take a look at these buttons from left to right, starting with the Language button, which allows you to switch between several languages for your user interface. The Content Location menu will give you the option to select a country from which to get videos on your feed. The default content location is the country of residence that you enter when you create your account, but you can change it later using this menu if you want to view more content from different countries. The Restricted Mode menu will prevent videos with inappropriate content or videos that have been tagged as such by other users from appearing on your video feed. It is set as off by default, but you can turn it on and back to off when needed. The History button will take you to a page where you'll be able to check a history of your viewed videos. Here, you will be able to check your watch history, as well as your search history. Clicking on the Help button will display a pop-up window to quickly access YouTube's Help page, which is an incredible resource to check if you ever need to. Let's lastly check the menu on the top left corner. From here, you will be able to access your YouTube User Options menu. First, you have the Home tab, which will simply take you back to the YouTube dashboard when you click it. The My Channel tab will take you to your YouTube channel, and we will teach you step-by-step how to create your own YouTube channel in the following video. The Trending tab will take you to the Trending Video section, and the Subscription tab will take you to your subscriptions page. The Library menu features 3 tabs. The first one is the History tab, which will take you to your viewed videos history so you can check which videos you have watched previously. The Watch Later tab will take you to a page where you can watch videos that you have marked as Watch Later. This is a useful feature because it allows you to save a video so you can watch it later when you're pressed for time. You can save videos this way by hovering over a video on the video feed and clicking on the clock icon. Doing so will save your Watch Later video on the Watch Later section. The Liked Videos tab will show you a collection of your liked videos. You can like a video by clicking on the like button below a video while you're watching it. The Subscriptions menu will show you a list of the YouTube channels that you are subscribed to. This menu will appear empty when your YouTube account is new, because you haven't added any channel to your subscriptions up to that point. You can use the Add Channel and the Browse Channel buttons to find channels to subscribe to, which will be added to this menu later. You can also subscribe to a YouTube channel while you're watching a video by clicking on the subscribe button below the video. Doing so will add that channel to your subscriptions list, which you can access either through the subscription tab below the search bar or through the subscription menu on the left. As you can see, navigating your YouTube user dashboard gives you access to a lot of nice features that you might not have noticed before watching this video. And we recommend you to keep experimenting with them later, because on our next video, we are going to show you all that you need to know about YouTube channels. YouTube channels. Anyone with a working internet connection can use YouTube to watch great video content. It's a free service that can be accessed worldwide through basically all types of desktop and smart devices. Because of this, most people do not bother to create YouTube accounts, as the platform allows everybody around the world to enter the website and start looking for videos by simply using the search bar. But people looking to access more advanced features, and people that want to have a more personalized experience, can create YouTube accounts that will allow them to like videos, to set up reminders to watch videos at a later date, and to subscribe to YouTube channels. But if you want to upload your own videos to have a more personalized experience, you'll need to have a YouTube channel. And in this video, you are going to learn all about them. What is a YouTube channel? A YouTube channel serves the purpose of providing a more personalized experience to anyone that joins YouTube, because it is a lot like having your own YouTube homepage. And it also serves the purpose of providing YouTube users with a profile that can be used to interact with other users. YouTube channels allow anyone with a YouTube account to do much more than to upload videos to the platform. YouTube channels will show the account name of the user, the account type, a description about the channel, the videos uploaded by the owner of the channel, a list of channels followed and friended by the owner of the channel, and a discussion section. What type of YouTube channels are out there? There are two types of YouTube channels: personal channels and business channels. Well, personal channels are the quickest and easiest way to have your own channel, and business channels are YouTube channels that rely on the basic channel structure while also providing additional customization options, such as the option to manage your channel from multiple YouTube accounts, and to name your channel after your brand or business. Creating a personal YouTube channel. Creating your own channel is a very easy and straightforward process that won't take you much more than a few clicks on your mouse. Creating a personal YouTube channel is the minimum requirement for you to upload your marketing videos on the platform, and you can start by going to your account icon on YouTube and clicking on YouTube Settings. Now click on the Create a Channel link and enter the name of your new channel in the pop-up window. You can use your name as it appears on your account, or you can use a customized name if you want. Click on Create Channel when you are done customizing your channel's name. Now that you have created your new channel, it is time to customize it. You can start by going to the top left corner to customize your channel icon. This icon is the same profile picture from your Google account by default, but you can change it by using the pencil icon to upload a new one. You can add an attractive banner to your channel by using the Add Channel Art button, which will allow you to upload a new image that you can use as your main channel art. You can add a description for your channel by using the Channel Description button. Using the crank icon over your description space will take you to your channel settings. Here, you can customize your channel privacy settings, which will allow you to either keep your liked videos, subscriptions, and save playlists private, or to make them public. If you turn on to customize the layout for your channel, you will be able to further customize your channel. This will allow you to add a channel trailer, to recommend video content to your subscribers, and to organize your videos and playlists into sections. And we totally recommend you to turn on this option and to click on Save. As you can see, this will let you customize your channel to look the same as all those other popular channels on YouTube. At first glance, you were given the Add Section button that you can use to separate your video uploads into categories, and the Add Channels button that will allow you to favorite other people's channels and feature them on yours. Changes made using these buttons will show on the video's playlist and channels tabs. Now in the About tab, you will be able to edit your channel description, and you will also be able to add contact details on your channel, including an email address for inquiries, to select a country to show it to your channel visitors, and to add links that your channel visitors can follow through. If you go back to your channel settings button, you will see new options available. You will now be able to show a discussion tab on your channel to allow people to comment on your channel. And you will also be able to translate content on your channel for viewers that speak a different language. And that's it. Now you have everything that you need to start uploading your marketing videos to YouTube using your personal channel. Creating a business YouTube channel. Creating a business channel is an easy process too. And it will allow you to name your channel after your brand or business, and will also allow you to manage it from several different accounts. To start creating a business channel, simply go to the YouTube settings button on your account icon. Now click on the Create New Channel link. Note that if you haven't created a personal channel yet, a Use a Business or Other Name link will appear instead. In the following page, enter the name of your brand or business in the brand account name field, and then click on Create. And that's it! Creating a business channel is as easy as creating a personal one, and you can customize it the same way as you would customize your personal channel. The difference being that information that you edit on your business channel will also be updated on a Google About Me page for your business. All the content that you upload on your channels can be managed from the Creator Studio, which we will take a look at in our following video. YouTube Creator Studio Walkthrough. Awesome! So now you have your own YouTube channels, and you are preparing to show your new marketing videos to the world over. And you would greatly benefit from knowing how to use your channel's dashboard so you can master its video sharing features from the get-go. To go to your YouTube Creator Studio, click on your account icon on the top right corner, and click on Creator Studio while logged in to your YouTube channel. You will be taken to your Creator Studio dashboard, where you will have a quick view of your videos and analytics. You will also have access to tips for your channel, to recent comments made on your channel, and to news related to your channel and your video content. You can edit the way in which this information is featured on your channel by using the Add Widget button. Let's now look at the tabs on the left side menu from top to bottom. First is the Video Manager tab, where you will have access to your videos and to your playlist. In the Video section, you can check and manage all your uploaded videos. You can use the Edit menu on each of your videos to configure them in detail. You can use it to edit stuff such as info and settings, enhancements, and audio, among other things. You can edit privacy and license settings as well as do bulk delete videos by selecting videos from your list and using the Actions menu. You can add videos to a playback list by using the Add To button. Let's now check the Playlist section. In this section, you will find your video playlist, which you can create by using the New Playlist button. The Live Streaming tab is where you will be able to set up live video sessions on the YouTube platform. You will have two live streaming options available on this tab, Stream Now and Events, and we will explain them in greater detail on a following video. In the Community tab, you will be able to check and manage your community comments and messages, to see who your public subscribers are, to configure community settings that include automate filters, moderator settings, user settings, content blocking settings, and to edit default comment settings. Lastly, the Credit section will give you access to a list of videos where you've been credited. These videos will be arranged by pending videos, published videos, removed videos, and videos marked as spam. In the Channel tab, you will be able to find everything about your YouTube channel. The first section, the Status and Features section, will show you the status of your YouTube channel, as well as all the active features available to your channel, such as monetization and live streaming. In the Upload Default section, you will be able to manage your video upload settings, which will allow you to set default values for each one of your uploads, such as default privacy, category, license, title, description, tags, comments, ratings, language, and locations, among others. In the Featured Content section, you will be able to set a featured video or playlist to be featured across all your videos and a channel ad, which will allow you to make one of your videos eligible to be promoted to YouTube viewers. The Branding section will allow you to insert a watermark to brand the videos in your channel with a watermark overlay by using the Add a Watermark button. Always remember to only use transparencies and one-color images for your watermarks. Lastly, in the Advanced section, you can configure advanced level channel settings that include account information, such as channel keywords, advertisement settings, AdWords account linking settings, to connect your channel with an AdWords account for advertisement purposes, channel recommendations, subscriber counts, and Google Analytics property tracking. Let's now take a look at the Analytics tab. Here you will find overview and real-time reports of the performance of your videos on the platform. You can use the comparison button to select performance analytics to compare for specific videos. And you can use the settings button to set a time period, a frequency for charts and tables, as well as the unit for measuring watch time in which to showcase your analytics. This tab will also allow you to get very specific analytics for each interaction that can be measured on your videos, including watch time, audience retention, demographics, playback locations, and traffic sources, among many others. The Translations and Transcriptions tab will allow you to check the status of community contributions for videos from your channel, which are contributions that other YouTube users provide to your channels, such as translation of titles, descriptions, and captions to different languages. Here, you will be able to select a default language for your videos, so contributors know what language they are going to target when they generate contributions. The contributions under Review are featured in the In Review tab, and uploaded contributions are featured in the Publish tab. In the Create tab, you will be able to find an audio library with free music and sound effects that you can add to your videos, a music policies section where you can check the current policies attached to certain songs in YouTube, so you know how to manage popular songs on your channel, and a video editor where you can edit your uploaded videos, to remix Creative Commons videos, to add photos to your videos, to search the audio tracks for your videos, as well as to add transitions and titles to your edited videos. The last tab on your Creator Studio dashboard is Your Contributions. From here, you will be able to check and manage your community contributions on the Submissions tab, community contributions that haven't been submitted yet on the Drafts tab, and a list of videos requiring contributions in the Contribute tab. As you can see, the Creator Studio dashboard gives you access to a lot more features than you thought that YouTube had, and we encourage you to keep trying them to master the platform. Start advertising on YouTube. One of the things that has made YouTube such a popular platform is that it allows people to monetize basically every type of content that they upload to the platform, because it operates on a shared revenue model. This means that YouTube shows ads on videos uploaded by YouTube users on behalf of advertisers and splits the earned revenue with users. You can become one of those advertisers and start promoting yourself on YouTube, which can help you to grow your business at an unprecedented level. But what are video ads? Video ads are YouTube videos that are promoted on other videos on the platform. Some of these videos are called pre-roll ads, precisely because they roll before YouTube ads eligible for monetization start rolling, and the rest of these video ads appear beside playing videos. YouTube advertising allows you to have total control over your daily advertising budget, so you only spend what you're comfortable spending on advertising. And you only pay for real engagement, because you only pay for video ads that run for more than 30 seconds. YouTube advertising has a nice variety of targeting options that will allow you to reach only the best and most qualified leads and customers for your promotions and business, because you can target users by age, gender, location, interests, and more. The good news is that you can measure the success of your video advertising campaigns with the help of built-in analytics that make it easier for you to see how your video ads are performing, which will allow you to optimize your ads by making adjustments based on your metrics at any time. To start advertising on YouTube, go to the Launch an Ad tab on the youtube.com/yt/advertise URL and click on the Get Started button. You will be taken to a campaign creation page where you will be able to select a video to promote, to create your video ad, to decide how much you are going to spend to promote it, and to choose your target audience. You can skip this step and create your video later, so you can start creating your video advertising account first. So let's simply click on Skip Campaign Creation. Now, you will be asked if you already have an AdWords account, which is Google's display advertising platform. If you haven't configured an AdWords account for your new Google account by the time that you reach this stage, simply select Yes on this screen and then click on Sign In. You will now have to start configuring your new AdWords for Video account. First, you will need to specify your country or territory, your time zone, and your currency, and then click on Continue. Now you will have to enter your billing information. First, you have to select between creating an individual account or a business account. If you select the business account, you'll need to enter your business name along with your business address. Then, you have to set a primary contact, which will be set with your contact information by default. And then you will need to select a payment method. You can use either a debit or credit card or bank account to pay for your AdWords. Lastly, you'll have to agree with the AdWords terms and services and click on Save to review your AdWords for Video account, so you can start creating your video ads right away. Linking to your AdWords account from YouTube. Now that your AdWords for Video account is ready for use, you will need to link your YouTube and AdWords accounts. To do it the easy way, simply go to your YouTube channel icon on the top right corner and click on the Creator Studio button. From there, go to the Channel tab and enter the Advanced section. Now go to the AdWords account linking and click on Link an AdWords account. To complete this step, you will be required to sign up for the AdWords for Video platform, which you already did. So you will only need to go to your AdWords account and copy the customer ID featured on the top right corner and paste it in the customer ID box, then click on Next. Now assign a name for your AdWords account. Set permissions to view accounts on calls to action, for remarketing, and for engagement for this account, and click on Finish. And that's it! Now your YouTube channel is linked to your AdWords account, so you can start advertising on the platform. Video marketing tips to consider. Video marketing is all the rage now, because YouTube has made it the perfect marketing method, even for those that are not seasoned marketers. And sometimes the only thing that you'll need to succeed with video marketing is good content, and YouTube will do the rest by bringing in audiences from all around the world. Yet, with all the competition surrounding the industry, the healthiest thing to do is to apply some foolproof strategies that will protect your video marketing campaigns against failure. That is why in this video, we are going to show you some video marketing tips to consider. Make your videos about a story, not a sale. Ask anybody on the internet and everyone will tell you that one of the most annoying types of video content is the old-fashioned sales guide trope, where brands use video to bombard viewers with a sales pitch that is best left for long infomercials. And video marketing on the internet works very different than that, and online viewers really consider value as an important part of video content. So in order to offer value to your customers through video content, you have to forget about pitching the benefits of buying your products or services. You have to focus instead on creating videos that showcase your products or services through a story that talks to your customers on a personal level, always considering that your video content has to be fed to the target demographic by telling a story centered on how your product or service will play a part in their lifestyle. Create a hook during the first 10 seconds of video. Marketing researchers have found that most online users will click away from a video if they are not hooked during the first 5 to 10 seconds of watching it. So you have to create the most compelling first 10 seconds of content for all your marketing videos in order to retain as many leads as possible. The best way to engage with people within the first 10 seconds of videos is by sparking curiosity and by letting your potential viewers to know why they should watch the entire thing right on the spot. Asking questions, using teaser images or segments, and simply conveying value during your first 10 seconds of video are marketing gold. Be funny. Most of the time, people sort through online content to be entertained, even if they don't admit it. People want a little variety to spice up their routines, and the internet is great at providing these short bursts of entertainment, as they allow people to have these little escapes without having to abandon their obligations. This means that you have to make your marketing videos entertaining in order to get people's attention to a more visceral level. Humor can even make a simple video to go viral, so make sure to make your audience laugh hard. Optimize your online videos. Sometimes it's not enough to upload a video to a video sharing site and wait for it to become viral, if you don't give it a little push, even if you upload it on a massively popular site such as YouTube. What we're trying to get at is that you have to optimize your videos as much as you would optimize your written content. Simple optimization that you can apply to your marketing videos include hosting your videos on your own domains before uploading them to video sharing sites, and to enable embedding on your videos to increase the chances of people sharing it virally. Search engine optimizations can also be applied to marketing videos. The easiest search engine optimizations for marketing videos include crafting high-traffic descriptions and using relevant keywords on your titles and tags. Keep your marketing videos short. Internet people are famous for having short attention spans because they are often jumping from one piece of content to the other. This depends a lot on the type of content, of course, because a how-to video can run for 30 minutes and those interested will watch it through. But most marketing videos are designed to attract people's attention in order to drive an action such as a click, a sign-up, or a purchase, and short videos that get their point across are the most effective when it comes to this. So make sure that your marketing videos do not go over the 2-minute mark, as most online viewers are prone to lose track and skip your video after that. Include a call to action. A common mistake that lots of marketers commit is to let their videos to fade to black once the videos are over. The best way to keep the sales funnel going after your videos finish is by adding a call to action at the end, one which your viewers can click through to reach your offer the easy way.